I'll show you how to create and set up an email account in Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Thunderbird can connect to many different email services, making it easy to manage messages from one application. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. If this is your first time using the application, you may automatically see the account setup screen. Look for the option to set up an existing email account. Enter your name, your email address, and the password associated with that email account. Thunderbird will usually try to detect the correct server settings automatically. This includes the incoming and outgoing mail servers needed to receive and send messages. After entering your information, select the option to continue. Thunderbird will check the available configuration settings for your email provider. If the settings are detected correctly, you can choose whether to use IMAP or POP, depending on your needs. IMAP is generally useful when you want your messages synchronized across multiple devices, while POP downloads messages to a specific device. Review the settings carefully, then complete the setup. Thunderbird may connect to your email provider and begin downloading your messages. Once the account is added, your inbox will appear in the account panel. You can now read, send, and organize your email directly from Thunderbird, and that's how to create and set up an email account in Mozilla Thunderbird. The process is simple, and most popular email providers can be configured in just a few minutes. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.